Welcome to Twitter Thai. Assalamu alaikum. This is our third lecture of phonic classes. In today's lecture, we will learn about the vowels and consonants and we'll do practice of vowels and consonants. So here is a worksheet for you. In this worksheet, there are a lot of letters written from which you have to sort out the vowels and the consonants. So first we will solve the vowels. You look at the blue letters. I have cut down all the vowels from these blue letters and I wrote them on the vowel side. And now it's consonant turn. Now one by one we will write all the consonants that are left behind. Now we will say the vowels and consonants loudly. The vowels written here are U, E, A, U, U, O and O. And the consonants written here are S, F, T, L, K, J, H, L, N, M, V, C, X, Y, T, R, W, Q, T, Y, M and D. So thank you so much for watching my video. Hope so you have learned a lot. If there is any question regarding this video, you can ask me in the comment section.